What up, guys? So I have a Sharp calculator right here. Now I put in new batteries and the thing still isn't working. So I'm gonna go to the next step. I've already unscrewed the back. Now I've noticed this will work with 90% of calculators that you've replaced the batteries and they still don't work. Right there on the sides there's little conduits. Now over time they get pushed in and they're just barely touching the battery. The connection's not strong enough to even power it on. So all you do, you take something and pry those out just a little bit, maybe a quarter inch or so. You put your batteries back in and 90% of the time I bet you that'll fix your problem. Doesn't work with just calculators, but many electronics I fix this way. If you replace some batteries on something, the thing don't work, try this. Now with these calculators, there's a reset button on a lot of them. Looks like it lines up right there. So that little metal, you want to touch that with a piece of metal for a few seconds to reset it. And we'll take a look at this one does. If look at that, working. Clear, perfect. If you've learned anything or got your calculator working or electronic, feel free to like video and check this out. Thanks a lot and take care.